Good morning, all of you. I am going to start gymnosperms and angiosperms. Gymnosperms, they are highly developed archegoniates. Angiosperms are highly developed vascular plants. In this reproduction, all the gymnosperms are heterosporous and angiosperms also heterosporous. Heterosporous, which forms unequal size of spores, that is microspores and megaspores are produced, and sporophytes forms strobilite or cone. In this, these sporophytes are microsporophytes and megasporophytes, which is represent similar to male and female flowers. And in this angiosperms, flowers are most important reproductive parts, and which possess stamens and pistil. And stamens are male sex organs and carpels are female sex organs. Female sex organs. And in this gymnosperms, microsporophytes and megasporophytes are present in the same plant is called monoecious. Example, Pinus. And Pinus. This is Pinus. Microsporophytes and megasporophytes are present in different plants is called dioecious. Example, Cycas. This is Cycas. Okay. And in this microspores are reduced male gametes which are pollen grains. This is pollen grains. The pollen grains contain male gametes. Two male gametes is formed from pollen grain undergo mitotic divisions, forms unequal two cells. One is small size cell, generative cell, and large size cell is vegetative cell. And this generative cell again mitotically divides, forms two male gametes in the pollen tube. So, and these are also same in this angiosperms, and the pollen grains are formed from microsporangium, that means anthers. These microspores means pollen grains. The pollen grains contain two male gametes. And in these ovules, the integument megasporangia is called ovule. Okay, inside the ovule, the mucellus possess megaspore mother cell undergo meiotic divisions, forms four haploid megaspores. Okay, one of the megaspore is act as female gametophyte. This female gametophyte is also is known as cenomegaspore, which contain four haploid nuclei but not forms walls. So that walls, and also this female gametophyte has contain 2 to 3 archegonia. Okay, in this also same, this megaspore mother cell and ovule is a integumented megasporangia, and this ovule of mucellus passes megaspore mother cell. Okay, undergo meiotic divisions, forms four haploid megaspores. Okay, chalagen part of the megaspore is functionally active, which develops into female gametophyte. This female gametophyte is called embryo sac. This embryo sac is monosporic type because it is developed from single functional megaspore. So it is monosporic type. And this embryo sac of angiosperm is 7-celled 8 nucleotide. And also in this pollination is direct pollination. In this pollination is indirect pollination. And the pollen grains are directly deposited on the ovule by wind. So by wind, and in this the pollen grains are reached on the stigma by either it is the air or water or insects or animals. Insects. So it is indirect method, indirect pollination, and also in this fertilization process after and formed and zygote is formed. Zygote is formed, and in this endosperm and this in this gymnosperm of female gametophyte act as endosperm. Gametophyte female gymnosperm of female gametophyte act as endosperm. Endosperm. So it is applied because it is a fertilization product. Okay, gymnosperms has nutritive substances for development of embryo, but it is formed before fertilization, so it is applied. And in this fertilization takes place in the embryo sac is two types. One is the syngamy, second one is triple fission. Okay, fission between male gamete and egg is called syngamy, which forms zygote, and also fission between male gametes and polar nucleus. Next, fusion between male gamete and polar nuclei is called triple fission. Triple fission, which forms triploid primary endospermic nucleus. And primary endospermic nucleus forms endosperm. Endosperm is a nourishment tissue. Endosperm is nourishment tissue to development of embryo. In this, double fertilization is a characteristic feature of embryo, feature of angiosperms. Double fertilization is characteristic feature of angiosperms. Okay, and in this gymnosperms of the cycles and gymnosperms of the sexual reproduction is siphonogamous oogamy. And in this cycles, siphonogyny and geodogamy both are present in sexual reproduction. And in this angiosperms of the sexual reproduction is also siphonogamous oogamy. Okay, and in this gymnosperms of the cycles has ferrous characters, that is multiciliate, spirally coiled male gametes, and also ramenta cercinate variation is the ferrous characters of cycles. Okay, next another is angiosperms also divided into two classes, that is dicotyledons and monocotyledons based on cotyledons in the seed. Okay, and also in this gymnosperms also divided into three classes. Okay, the differences between gymnosperms and angiosperms in anatomy. The vessels are present in the angiosperms, but they are absent in gymnosperms except netum. Netum has some angiospermic characters, that is called presence of vessels. And in this companion cells are present in the angiosperms in phloem, and in this companion cells are absent. And in the reproduction, sexual reproduction is siphonogamous oogamy, means the male gametes are carried by pollen tube into egg at the time of the fission. And same way, angiosperms of sexual reproduction is siphonogamous oogamy. And also in some gymnosperms like and in cycles, siphonogamy and geodogamy both are present in cycles. And also cycle has some parent characters like that: succinate vernation, the coiling tip from base, from to the base, and also ramenta and brown color multicellular hairs are present on microsporophylls and megasporophylls, and also ciliated antherozoids are present. Ciliated antherozoids, male gametes, has some coiled spirally coiled with ciliated antherozoids are present in the cycles, and presence of archegonia is one of the term character of cycles. And the gymnosperms are divided into three classes. One is Cycadopsida, example cycles. Coniferopsida, Phytus. Neotopsida, Neotum. And also angiosperms. In the angiosperms, archegonia is always absent. Archegonia is absent. Archegonia has advanced angiosperms has advanced characters. That means inflorescence, presence of inflorescence, flowers, and presence of companion cells in phloem, and xylem elements or vessels are formed. That is the advanced character, and advanced developed embryo is there. And the angiosperms are divided into two classes: dicotyledons and monocotyledons, based on presence of cotyledons, based on presence of number of cotyledons in the seed. This is the major differences between angiosperms and gymnosperms. Thank you.